Yes, also today I was with an best, also I was with an best doll collector friend, and we had a great day. We went to Smyth Toys and we bought us dolls, and yeah, I bought my first Barbie doll and my friend Xandra Aries bought herself her first Shadow High doll, and I unboxed my first Barbie doll in the new house that we are moving. Yeah. So here is the new Shadow High line, and I love all of the dolls. And I must say, they look all stunning and gorgeous, and they are great. By the way, that's the doll that Xander Aries bought herself. This is my doll that I bought for myself. So that's the doll I bought for me, and I think in real life she looks very nice, and yeah, and I really love her artwork, and then I unbox her in the new house, and she is from the new line Barbie Extra Fly. Yeah. And then we was in the city and we made this photo. I don't know why. And yeah, I edited this photo. And that's the photo that I edited. I think I make an part 2, and in the part 2 I unbox the Barbie doll in the new house.